Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to talk about the Mi Band 2 and the HRX version. So there are a lot of doubts that a lot of people have. Now regularly when I go to the MI store, I see a lot of people having the same kind of doubts. So this video is just to clear out the doubts on which Band 2 buy. So a lot of people are confused between the HRX version and the MI Band 2. So let me clear out all the doubts now, whatever I can remember that people have been asking. Rest, if you want, you can always comment and then I can reply to that. Should I buy the HRX version or the heart rate, the Band 2, which has a heart rate monitor on it? Now, to answer that question, it's all on your requirement. Most of the people will not use the heart rate monitor. Doesn't make sense to them. They don't really have any use for it, because even if you get the heart rate from the band, you really don't know what to do with it, because what's normal, what's above normal, what you should do, what should be your heart rate, and what nobody cares. Yes, there are a lot of people who care about it, who know how to monitor their heart rate, heartbeat in certain situations, like when they're exercising, when they are doing some work, and it's necessary for them. For them, the MI Band 2 is a good option. For people who are just using it for calorie tracking, just for step count, then the HRX is a better option. Does the heart rate monitor help in accuracy? Yes, it does. Now this is what I have noticed with my Band 2, the previous version also. Now with the HRX band and the other MI band that I have, the one which does not have a screen, the Band 1, I've noticed one thing, that whenever I leave my Band 2, take it out and put it in the night, out in the night, it does not give me false data. It does not calculate that time as me sleeping. But the one without the heart rate monitor, not only the MI band, other Fitbit bands also, I have the similar problem, that when you remove it in the night and keep it, they think that you are still sleeping. So till the time the band does not move, it calculates the entire time as sleeping. So most of the bands which do not have, even the HRX version I've tested, even that has the same problem. If you remove the band in the night, keep it aside, it does not know that you are not wearing it. It will calculate the entire time it is lying there as sleeping. So I have got 16 hours, 12 hours of sleep according to the band. So a lot of people say that the HRX version has more battery life than the Band 2, but that's not true. Basically, the Band 2 has a heart rate monitor, so it's there, it lights up, it uses battery. But if you don't use it, if you don't use the heart rate monitor, the battery life is going to be almost same as the HRX version. I have tested it, I have used it, and I get the same similar kind of battery life from both of them. Now, what brings down your battery life, or what determines your battery life, is the notification. Now if you have call notification on, if you have message notifications on, then whenever you get a message, the band vibrates, it shows a message. It does not show you the exact message, it just shows you an icon of a message. So every time it vibrates, it lights up, the battery is used. Now a lot of people use it on all the notifications. So if you are kind of a person who gets a lot of WhatsApp messages, obviously your band will have less battery life, because it's vibrating that many times. So every time you get a message, it vibrates, you get a call, it vibrates. So the more it vibrates, the more the battery life goes down. So it's not the band, it's your usage. So if you use it for all the notifications, everything is working, everything is on, and it's continuous, there's an option of keeping it continuously connected. It has an option of telling you when the band is disconnected from the phone, so there's a 24 hours so that you don't lose your phone. So that feature is also there. If you use all those features, then your battery life does go down. So depending on the usage, the battery life will go down, but otherwise both of them have similar battery life. You do not have to be worried about battery life between both of them. They are both good. 21 days is a normal thing for me. 21 days they both work. Okay, so one more question that I get a lot is the HRX band universal? Can you use it on Band 2 or not? Yes, you can use it on the band 2 and the HRX version band also, because the module is exactly the same size. The only difference is the heart rate monitor at the bottom. So you do not have to worry about that. I am using the HRX band on my MI band 2 right now. Is the band waterproof? Now, it says it's IP67 rated, so till 1.5 meters of water, it is fine. Now, one good thing about these devices are, if you even there are a lot of dismantling videos also made for them, that the way they are made, the HRX band, and I don't know about the HRX band, I haven't seen anyone open that, but the MI band 2, it's made so solid. The construction is so solid that even IP60, it's even more than IP67. The water does not go in. The screen and the entire, everything is enclosed so tight that nothing happens to it. Yes, there are chances if you are one of the unlucky ones where it has dropped a lot of time and there's a crack somewhere and some water seeped in and something happens. But if you keep it safe, if you don't manhandle the band, then I think it should be fine. I have used my old MI band 2. I've been using it for past 1.5 years and nothing has happened to it. I don't remove it at all. For swimming, whatever, for swimming purpose, whatever purpose I want to use it, I can use it. Nothing will happen to it. Yes, but if water goes into it, and if the MI store people come to know that you have used it, like you have used it for swimming where it's not recommended for swimming, then there is no warranty for it. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.